Derek, mga kababayan, our democracy is founded on the principle of equal justice and separation of powers, di ba? Ganito yung tatlo, ang branches ng gobyerno natin, executive, legislative, and judiciary. So, walang isa-isa ang minus or mas mababangkay sa kanila.
Grabe.
So it is important na mahalagaan na independent ang bawat branches ng gobyerno because they promote checks and balances. Especially because yung executive siya yung nagpapatupad ng batas. So which is prone to abuse.
Para sa kanya ang security forces.
Yes, siya ang commander-in-chief. And the weakest among the three is the judiciary. Kasi wala silang team. Wala naman silang police force to enforce it. They have to go first through the law enforcement agencies in the executive branch. So, meron yung interrelationship of these independent branches. But it is important, mahalaga na independent yung bawat branch ng gobyerno.
Nga ang mata, no? Straight kayo.
To achieve checks and balances.
Maiwasan ang abuso sa kapangyarihan.
Yes, maiwasan ang pagkakabuso ng kapangyarihan whether that is in the form of corruption, di ba? But if you have an independent Senate with its power of investigation, yun ang hawak niya na I can summon people, we can investigate this, we may commit a report, as marami kong mga nagkakasaya. So the more important, the power of impeachment. Yes, that's the power of impeachment. You cannot impeach. Like in the case of the House of Representatives, i-impeach yung nakaupong Pangulo, then hawak na hawak niya ang Kamara. Doon magagaling ang impeachment complaint. The Senate simply acts as the impeachment court. So, for as long as independent yung Kamara, then magdadalawang isip yung Pangulo na hindi ko pwedeng abusukin ito because they could remove me.
Which brings me to the next question. Hindi may kakaiba na nakaangkla sa iskandalusong mga regulations na piniyalik Senate Committee na pinamunahan ni Senator Bato ang bigodon na nangyari sa Senado. And so therefore, ang layunin nito talaga paralisahin, lumpuin ang naturang na regulations at matanggalan ng ito sa Senado ang mga napaka-importanting mga bagay na i-reveal na sa akin kung hindi nagkaroon ng ganitong bigodon sa liderato sa Senado.
Ganito yan. Eric, mga kababayan, pinalitan mo yung Senate President. Like in this case, nawala si Sudiro. Napalit si Escudero. Necessarily, tingnan mo anong ginawa nila Loren Liga. They resigned from their committee chairmanships, from their position, to give way to the new leader, to choose the people na talaga niya dyan sa mga committee. In other words, pwedeng palitan si Bato de la Rosa as chairman of the Committee on Public Order and Dangerous Drugs. That's one goal. Palitan mo yan kasi hindi sumusunod sa gusto natin. So there's no way to do it kasi si Senator Subiri, sinabi niya hindi ko sinunod yung powers ng PRI.
Kasi pinapatigil yata
Ang investigation, hindi naman niya in-orderan si Bato na itigilin ito yan. Because in fact, si Bato continue to do the hearings. So the only way to do it is remove the leader para mapalitan yung chairman ng committee on dangerous drugs, public order and dangerous drugs. So malamang hindi pa ngayon,
Muta.
kasi ang mapalitan naman na bukas for right now, yung sobrang garapal ngayon, di ba?
Reb.
They will bid.
Nahigda na, Reb.
Anyway, the Senate and the Congress of the Philippines is in Senate Day adjourned.
Yeah, kahapon.
Yes.
At pati na bang lower house?
Yes.
Sa Bison. Attorney Glenn, may commentary question.